Hey guys, welcome back to the AppWiz channel. This is how to get a promo code for a TikTok shop. So first thing that you will do is simply open up your TikTok application into your device. And from here down below, you should be able to see the shop icon. So tap on that. So guys, from here, just simply go ahead and tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And from here, you should be able to see here free shipping. So guys, from here, you should be able to see the coupon hub. And from here, you should be able to claim vouchers. So guys, from here, this is the only way in order for you to get some promo and coupons over here. So from here, just simply go ahead and claim coupons over here. So if you claim it, it will be on your My Coupons on the top right. And if we scroll down, we should be able to see here multiple offers as well that we have. So let's say I'm going to go for this 70% off. I'm going to claim it. And now I'm just going to simply tap on use. And from here, you should be able to buy with coupon over here. So just simply tap on buy with coupon. And from here, just simply select a color and select the quantity and tap on buy now. And after that, when we tap on TikTok shop discount, we should be able to enable the coupons over here. So as you can see, make sure to select the coupons over here in order for you to apply it, and tap on confirm. And as you can see, you will have here a discount. And that's simply about it. Just simply claim coupons as much as you can over here at the coupon hub. And from there, you should be able to get coupons. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.